How did you make your first $1 million? And what was that like?
You know,
How old were you?
That's a very good question, because I'll give this advice to people. It's almost impossible to make your first $1 million. You work your ass off. It's so hard. And what it really takes to do is to have the discipline of not buying shit you don't need. To make that first mill is you got to invest it. The market's going to make you 8%. I kind of ground my way there. And then I thought, well, my sights are on 5. It's going to be impossible. It wasn't as hard to get to 5 as it was to 1. Then 50 was my next goal. I said, if I can get to 5, why can't I get to 50? This may sound insane, but to get to 50, you just have to love what you're doing. Once you're an entrepreneur and you're building a business and you're at it every day, I woke up one day and went, shit, there it is. And then the Hunsky is the next one. You know, it's sort of like
savage.
And then there comes a point where, well, I don't need any more money. This is good. I need more time. Because the whole deal, the reason you work your ass off is to be free. That's the whole point.